Good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss about fiber alignment and joint losses. How the optical fiber should align, and by joining, how are the losses obtained. Okay, in any communication system, both jointing and termination of transmission medium is a common requirement. So, the number of intermediate fiber connections or joints is dependent upon the link length between the repeaters, the continuous length of the fiber cable that may be produced by preparation methods. Okay, the first step, the number of intermediate fiber connections or joints is depend upon the link length, the continuous length of the fiber cable. Fiber alignment and joint losses. There are two major categories of fiber joints. So that are fiber slices and connectors. The fiber splices are semi-permanent or permanent joints, okay, which are analogous to electrical soldier joints, okay. These fiber splices looks like. So the demodulated fiber connectors or connectors, these are removable joints, okay, which allow easy, fast manual coupling and uncoupling of fibers, okay, analogous to electrical plugs and sockets. These joints are considered. These are removable joints which allow easy, fast manual coupling and uncoupling of fibers, okay. Next, Fresnel reflection. So what is Fresnel reflection? The optical loss is encountered at interference of two fibers. Okay, interface of two fibers. Even two jointed fiber ends are smooth perpendicular to fiber axis and the two fibers are perfectly aligned. Small portion of light may be reflected back into the transmitting fiber, causes attenuation at the joint, which is known as Fresnel reflection. The Fresnel reflection, the magnitude of the reflected light can be written as R is equal to n1 minus n by n1 plus n whole power square, where R is equal to fraction of light reflected at a single interference and N1 is equal to refractive index of fiber core and N is equal to refractive index of medium between two jointed fibers. Okay. The loss in dB due to Fresnel reflection at a single interference is given by Fresnel loss is equal to minus 10 log 10 of 1 minus R. The effect of Fresnel reflection at a fiber to fiber connection can be reduced to a very low level, okay, very low level through the use of an index matching fluid in the gap between the jointing fibers, okay. This Fresnel reflection. Fiber alignment and joint loss. Any deviations in the geometrical and optical parameters of the two optical fibers which are jointed will affect the optical attenuation through the connection. There are incoherent connection problems when jointing fibers with different core and cladding diameters or different numerical aperture or refractive indices, and C, different RI profiles, okay, different RI profiles. Fiber faults. The losses caused by above factors together with Fresnel reflection are referred as intrinsic joint losses. So how the misalignment may occur in three dimensions, okay, A, B, C, the figures, three possible misalignments, okay, the misalignments of the fibers. The three possible misalignments occurs when joining compatible optical fibers: longitudinal misalignment, lateral misalignment, angular misalignment. Lateral misalignment gives greater loss than longitudinal misalignment. Optical losses resulting from these three types of misalignment depends upon the fiber type, core diameter and the distribution of the optical power between the propagating modes. Multi-mode fiber joints. What? Multi-mode fiber joints. So lateral misalignment reduces the overlap region between two fiber cores. Okay, between two fiber cores. Assuming uniform excitation of all the optical modes in a multi-mode step index fiber, the overlapped area between both fiber cores approximately gives the lateral coupling efficiency, that is an eta of lateral. Then multi-mode fiber joints. How the fiber joints are aligned for the multi-modes. Okay. So multi-modes. The lateral coupling efficiency for two similar step index fiber is n flat is equal to 16 n1 by n whole square 1 plus n1 by n whole power 4 by 1 by pi, that equation. Okay, where n1 is equal to core of refractive index, where n is equal to refractive index of the medium between fibers, y is equal to lateral offset of the fiber core axis, the misalignment loss in dBs is loss of lateral is equal to minus 10 log of 10 eta of lateral. So lateral misalignment loss in graded index fiber in terms of RA profile L1 is equal to 2 by pi of y by a alpha plus 2 by alpha plus 1. 0 is lesser than or equal to y is lesser than or equal to 0.2 a, where lateral coupling efficiency eta of lat is equal to 1 minus LT. For guided and leaky modes, LT is equal to 0.75 into y by a. For multi-mode step index fiber, the lateral misalignment loss for guided modes is LT is equal to 0.64 y by a. Angular misalignment losses. Okay. So angular misalignment losses. Angular misalignment losses or occur at mainly joints in multi-mode step index fibers may be predicted with reasonably accuracy using an expression for angular coupling coefficient. Okay. Eta of angular is approximately equal to 16 of n1 by n whole square by 1 plus n1 by n whole power 4 into 1 minus n eta by pi n1 of 2 delta whole power 1 by 2, where eta is the angular displacement, delta is equal to RRID and n1 is equal to core. N1 is equal to core refractive index, n is equal to refractive index of medium between two fibers. Insertion loss due to angular misalignment is already we know that loss of angular is equal to minus 10 log 10 of single mode fiber joints. Single mode fiber joints. In the absence of angular misalignment loss, T1 due to lateral offset y can be written as T1 is equal to 2.17 y by omega naught whole square dB. W naught is equal to normalized spot size of fundamental mode, that is W naught is equal to A into 0.65 plus 1.62 V minus 1.5 plus 2.88 V power minus 6 by square root of 2. Insertion loss due to angular misalignment theta in radians can be written as Tg is equal to 2.17 into theta of omega naught n1 b by a into numerical aperture of dB. Total insertion loss Tt is approximately equal to T1 plus Ta. Chord diameter mismatch. So what is the chord diameter mismatch? So assuming all the modes are equally excited in a multi-mode step index fiber or graded index fiber, Na and index profiles are same, and then the loss resulting from a mismatch of core diameter is given by the two conditions. Okay, loss of CD core diameter is equal to minus 10 log 10 of A2 by A1 whole square dB. 0 dB when A2 is greater than or equal to A1. Numerical aperture mismatch. So here also, assuming fibers with equivalent refractive index profiles, core diameters and uniform modal power distribution, the loss caused by the mismatch of numerical aperture is loss of Na is equal to minus 10 log of 10 Na2 by Na1 whole square 0 dB. When 0 dB is for numerical aperture of second one is greater than or equal to numerical aperture of 1. Mismatch array profile. So what is mismatch array profile? When the transmission fiber has different array profiles from receiver fiber, then the loss caused by mismatch of array profile is given that loss of RIP or refractive